meat is linked to cancer and heart disease, but are the risks big enough to give up burgers and steak? A team of international researchers says probably not, contradicting established advice. In a series of papers published Monday, the researchers say the increased risks are small and uncertain, and that cutting back likely wouldn't be worth it for people who enjoy meat. Their conclusions were swiftly attacked by a group of prominent U.S. scientists who took the unusual step of trying to stop publication until their criticisms were addressed. The new work does not say red meat and processed meats like hot dogs and bacon are healthy or that people should eat more of them. The reviews of past studies generally support the ties to cancer, heart disease, and other bad health outcomes. But the authors say the evidence is weak and that there's not much certainty meat is really the culprit, since other diet and lifestyle factors could be at play.
Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to drink water before, during, and after your workout.
Bitch sandwich, bitch sandwich, bitch. 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 Burning kush, big sandwich, bitch. Balling out, big sandwich, bitch. Counting cash, big sandwich, bitch. Cashing out, big sandwich, bitch. Gucci bags, big sandwich, bitch. Icy wrist, big sandwich, bitch. Pinky rings, big sandwich, bitch. Purple drinks, big sandwich, bitch. Purple pills, big sandwich, bitch. Passing out, big sandwich, bitch. Turning up, big sandwich, bitch. Walling out, big sandwich, bitch. Bitch sandwich.